How to use Samsung modes and routines. Want your Samsung phone to automatically change its settings depending on what you're doing?
In this video, I'll show you how to use Samsung modes and routines.
Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Step 2. Open Modes and Routines. Now scroll down and tap on Modes and Routines. Step 3. Choose Modes. Here, you'll find Modes.
Modes are useful when you want your phone to automatically adjust several settings for situations like sleeping, driving, or exercising.
Step 4. Open Routines. Next, tap on Routines.
Routines work using a simple if this happens, then do the system.
Step 5. Create a routine. Tap the plus button to create a new routine. Step 6. Choose an if condition. Under if, choose what should trigger your routine. For example, you can select a specific time, location, Wi-Fi network, or another condition. Step 7. Choose a then action. Now tap then and choose what you want your phone to do automatically.
You can change settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound mode, or do not disturb.
Step 8. Save. Once everything is set up, tap Save. Your Samsung phone will now automatically perform the selected actions whenever your condition is met.
And that's how you can use Samsung modes and routines to automate your phone and make everyday tasks easier.
Thanks for watching.